picture here. Great, way up there at the top. For the new library? Oh, no, but that's appropriate that we are in the library, or sort of in the library. A couple things first, guys. We are in the upper school, and there's still school going on for upper school students, including some really important tests in next door to us, okay? So we do need to be respectful that the upper school students and the middle school students are still working and doing things, okay? So, yes, now you see why we're here, because we have reached the second Yes. So, we have our friends here that are here to help us. But the nice thing is, over the course of this week, I've gotten lots and lots of advice from you all of things that I should be doing while we hit these levels. And every time I need to find courage, there are different things that I can do. So one of the things that I've been told is that I should just try to go to my happy place. So like, if I'm nervous about something, I should just think about my happy place. So I'm going to try that strategy today. I like to be on the beach. That's one of my favorite places. Either at the beach or in Canada at my lake house. So those are the two places. So I might be thinking about that. But another really good piece of advice that I heard was that if you are friendly to them, if you're friendly, then they'll be friendly back. So, hi! Hola! So I'm going to try really hard to be nice and friendly to them. Yes. Hey, kid. Mind over matter. That is the most important one that I have heard, is that I am just going to do this because I have to do this. But thank you so much. So all of you who went home and talked to moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas and aunts and uncles, thank you so much for doing that and for asking them to help out with our lower school building project. It really does mean a lot. And so quickly, we've already gotten to the second level. So if you, at Carline, you can see my picture, and you can see at the very bottom where the guinea pig was, now there's a picture of me and the guinea pig. So soon, there will now be a picture of me and the parrots. And then we'll see what comes next. All right, so Miss Muldrow, any words of advice? How do I do this?
Well, when I talk to the kids, we say you have to be respectful of the animal. What? That means no sudden movements.
Oh, there won't be any movement.
Also, do we get loud around Sam and Munya? No, we don't. I mean, sometimes it's kind of exciting when they get excited, but we don't want them to be excited today. Okay?
So wait, I'm not ready yet.
Want her.
I have a few clarifying questions.
Okay. Well, no, it was fine. I mean, it's fine. It'll be fine. It was kind of nice to have that limited space.
Okay, back to the question. Sorry about that.
That was unexpected.
Yes.
If they get excited, what will they do?
Fly.
They will fly away from me.
Yes, but their wing might like brush up against you. Okay?
So, another question. Would it bother them if I had my hood up? Maybe.
I don't think so. They might try to nibble on your hood.
Will they try to nibble on my cheek?
They won't try to nibble on your cheek. They might try to comb your hair.
Alright, so just for clarification, okay, so there were many questions of whether or not I was going to be able to hold them, each animal, for 10 more seconds, so for each level, a second. Which, when my son Carson calculated what that would be for the snake, I said there's no way. That's not going to happen. So, the third graders and I actually came up with a compromise that maybe I'll try each level to hold it for just 1 more second each time. So,
well, you know what, guys?
so by the time if we get to the snake, that's a pretty long time that I have to hold the snake.
And you know, when something bothers you, just 1 little second feels like a
forever.
lot longer. It does. That's why we say when you start wordplay, if it drives you crazy, do 1 minute. If you can't, do 5.
Okay, so I have to take my coat off.
I think the coat would be good for you, actually.
Okay.
Leave it on.
Am I going to turn around?
I can watch this. I can watch this.
I can't.
Let me arrange. Let me look at your.
Okay, can you not have that? I'll do it. You just tell us.
There is like easy.
Okay. So I do have my courage shirt on underneath this.
Oh, and one of the things that's really cool is that she has seen you children be more courageous every year. Like there are some children that are scared in kindergarten.
That was 11 seconds.
Was it?
I counted, it was 11 seconds.
Did you get a picture, Ralph?
It was 11 seconds.
That was. Thank you. All right, 2 down. How many to go? 8. Oh my goodness.